Take a moment to reflect on your life, career, and work. What kind of work are you doing? Are you leading a team, working for yourself, or contributing to a cause you care about? Income and finances. How much are you earning? How do you feel about your financial stability? Are you saving, investing, or enjoying experiences you've always wanted? Knowledge and skills. What have you learned or mastered? Are you fluent in another language, skilled in a trade, or certified in a new area? Relationships. Who is in your life? How do you nurture these relationships? As you think about these questions, let me ask you this. Do you feel stuck, repeating the same patterns every day without a clear sense of purpose? Are you longing for change but unsure where to start? Or perhaps you're happy with where you are, but have you considered this? What areas of your life could go from good to great? Could your relationships be deeper? Could your career be more aligned with your passions? Could your health or personal growth reach new heights? Whether you're looking for a fresh start or refining the path you're already on, this video will guide you through a practical process to take control of your life. Together, we'll create a vision for your future, break it into actionable steps, and build a system to stay on track. Let's begin. The first step to designing your life is creating a clear, detailed vision. Think of this vision as a compass. It guides you through life's challenges and ensures every step you take aligns with your goals. Without it, you risk drifting aimlessly. With it, your actions become purposeful and focused. Here's how to create your vision step by step. Set the scene. Find a quiet space where you can think deeply. This is your time to dream without limitations. Grab a notebook or open a document and let your imagination flow. Describe your ideal life. Picture yourself 5 years from now and answer these questions. Career and work. What do you do for a living? Income and finances. How much are you earning? Knowledge and skills. What have you learned or mastered? Health and well-being. How do you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally? Relationships. Who are the most important people in your life? Lifestyle and experiences. What hobbies or activities bring you joy? Be specific and positive. Avoid vague statements like, I want to be successful. Instead say, I've built a career that earns $80,000 annually and allows me to travel twice a year. Specificity gives your vision clarity and power. Reflect on the why. For each aspect of your vision, ask yourself why it matters. Understanding the deeper purpose behind your dreams strengthens your commitment to achieving them. Finally, keep your vision close. Whether it's written in a notebook, saved as a digital note, or displayed on a vision board, review it daily to stay inspired and focused. A vision is only the beginning. To bring it to life, you need a plan of action. This is where you turn dreams into smart goals. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's how to translate your vision into actionable steps. Choose a focus area. Start with one part of your vision. For example, if improving health is part of your ideal life, focus on fitness or nutrition first. Create a SMART goal. Let's say your vision is to get fit. A SMART goal might be, I will lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by exercising 5 days a week and eating balanced meals. Break it into daily actions. Small, manageable actions make your goals achievable. Day 1, research and choose a fitness app. Daily action. Walk for 20 minutes after dinner. Weekly action. Plan and prep healthy meals on Sunday. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker or a simple checklist. Write down your daily actions and check them off as you complete them. Watching your progress builds motivation and momentum. Stack your habits. Pair new habits with existing routines. For example, after brushing your teeth, spend 2 minutes visualizing your goals. While drinking your morning coffee, review your top 3 priorities for the day. Starting small and staying consistent is key. Each small step brings you closer to your vision. Even with a clear vision and strong actions, challenges can arise. That's why follow-through is so important. It's the system that keeps you on track and helps you adjust when needed. Here's how to follow through effectively. Weekly check-ins. Schedule a time each week, perhaps Sunday, to reflect on your progress. Ask yourself, did I complete my daily actions? What worked well and what didn't? What adjustments do I need to make for next week? Record your reflections. Use a journal or note-taking app to capture insights, challenges, and wins. Writing things down helps you stay mindful of your progress. Adapt as needed. Life changes, and so should your plan. If something isn't working, tweak it. For example, reduce your daily action to make it more manageable or shift your schedule to a time that suits you better. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge every bit of progress, no matter how small. Celebrating success keeps you motivated to keep going. Revisit your vision. Regularly review your vision to remind yourself of the bigger picture. This keeps your actions aligned with your long-term goals. Designing your life isn't about perfection, it's about progress. With a clear vision, actionable goals, and a commitment to follow through, you can create a life that inspires and fulfills you. Now it's your turn. Take 30 minutes today to write your vision. Set one SMART goal and break it into daily actions. Schedule your first weekly check-in. Share your vision or goal in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey and support you along the way. The life you want is within reach. Let's take the first step together. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to design their dream life. Until next time, keep moving forward, one step at a time.